Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today I have a quick unboxing video for you. This is a watch that I already own a similar watch, the ISL 3.8, and this is the ISL 8.5. Mark just announced this watch on, I think it was Thursday, and I ordered this watch. I didn't even watch his entire video. I just went ahead and ordered this watch. And it arrived yesterday, which was Saturday, and just getting around to opening up the box today. So like I said, it's very similar to the ISL 3.8, but I had to buy this one because of the dial color. Also, it has a smooth bezel versus the fluted bezel. I have that watch around here somewhere. I'll do a comparison video of that as well in the future. But first, let's get this out of the box and check out the color. I've been trying to get a Rolex in my collection for a while now. Wanted the Oyster Perpetual. This looks similar to an Oyster Perpetual, and it has a similar dial color to that. I think they call it a turquoise. And from Island Watch, this is Robin's Egg Blue. So yeah, very cool. So this has the Oyster bracelet. The other one that I have has a Jubilee bracelet with the fluted bezel. So definitely one looks more like a Datejust, and this one looks more like a Oyster Perpetual. I mean, it's not an exact copy or anything, but it has the same kind of feeling in my mind. So yeah, very cool. A Miyota 9015. Sapphire on the top. I believe also sapphire on the back. It is a display case back. Let's get this screwed back down. So this is a no date movement also. Actually, so I don't know if this is a 9015 or a 90S5 or 9039. It says 9015. So this would have the ghost date position. So what that means is your first position out is hand winding. So there it just popped out. It is unscrewed from the crown stem there, or from the case. So right now I'm winding the movement. Next position out would be your date set, and it's not cut out for a date, so there's a ghost date position. And then when I pull it all the way out, it'll be in hacking. That second hand will stop. So there we go. Yeah, definitely a cool watch for summer or any kind of, I don't know, I guess I'd wear this for any activity. I'm not so stuck on having to wear a certain watch for a certain thing. So yeah, very cool. I'll put this on wrist. It's not sized yet. I'll size it and wear it for a little bit and then do the full video here. Still wearing the Boulder Adventure. I'll be doing a video on this one soon. I've been wearing it for quite a bit. Trying to get the strap broken in, but we'll talk about that in the next video. So I'll just hold this on wrist to get you a good idea of the size. I believe this is a 38 millimeter watch, and I have a 6.5 inch wristband. Sorry, 6.5 inch wrist, 52 millimeter wristband. So this does have the male end length, so it'll stick out a little bit farther. But I'll measure all that and release a video in a few days, probably on the full presentation here. So, all right, I think that will conclude the unboxing today. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. Actually, no, let's just take the rest of the plastic off here and take a closer look at the bracelet. And then we'll close out the video. I guess these are not totally planned out. They're not really scripted or anything like that. Especially the unboxings. Not that my normal videos are scripted. I just normally will make some kind of notes. You may have seen my notepad in some videos. Yeah, this feels good. So it has the blind screw links here, meaning that there's not a hole on the backside for the screw. It does look a little better that way, but I prefer having a hole on the back side just so you can push a tool in here to help get the screw out in case it gets stuck in there or whatever. So this portion of the clasp is stamped, and then we have a middle clasp here, unsigned, which is fine. I know the logo is love or hate. Well, maybe not love or hate, but I don't know. I think I would like it better without the logo, but on this one it doesn't look so bad. It is, I don't know if it's applied, but it's definitely silver. So yeah. Alright, so that will conclude the video. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.